So next we're going to take a look at the horizontal mattress. There's a couple variations, but we'll go over the simple one first, of course. So with the figure of 8, it was 4 points of contact from here to here to here to here. The horizontal mattress is similar, but we're going from here to here, back into here, and back into here. And this one is quite good for everting the edges, and if I do it correct, you'll see it and it will look quite nice. And yeah. And this is the first one, not yet, that will be using our reverse grip, but once again we're still starting out with our foregrip and starting with the simple suture as always, entering on one side. And coming out on the other. And now, as I mentioned before, the foregrip is used when we're suturing towards ourselves, and since we're going to be suturing away, now we use the reverse grip, which is the needle pointing down. And on the same side, we enter and do the simple suture, but just in reverse. And just like that there. We're also going to go over a new knot that helps keep the tension. Very similar to what we were doing before, but instead of the surgeon's knot, we're doing a overhand knot, so only one throw. And we tie that. And now we do another one, so 2 overhands, but we pull the short end straight up. And this is called the slip knot, because it slips into a knot. And then when you want to secure it, you just pull on both ends in the opposite direction, and that'll secure it. And then you continue to do a few overhand knots on top of it. Oops, maybe I didn't do the best job at tightening that.